Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on March the 2nd, 2020. Global stocks rebound on monetary measures. Global share markets recovered on Monday after a huge sell-off last week as investors put hopes on a likely coordinated global monetary response to help soften the economic blow of the coronavirus outbreak. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan climbed 1%, rising for the first time in 4 sessions and recovering from a 0.3% drop in early trade. Japan's Nikkei, which opened 1.3% lower at a 6-month low, increased 0.95%. China's blue chip index CSI 300 gained 3.3%. Euro Stoxx 50 futures and German DAX futures both added 1.6%, while FTSE futures surged 2.1%. In the United States, E-minis for the S&P 500 rebounded 0.5% after a fall of 1%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were up 510 points, recovering after more than 10% decline last week, its biggest weekly drop since October 2008. At the commodity markets, Brent crude futures rose $2.24 or 4.5%, trading at $51.91 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude hit $46.65 per barrel, jumping $1.89 or 4.2%. Such increase in crude oil futures was led by hopes of a deeper cut in output by OPEC. S&P will increase payout due to strong profit. On Monday, the Swiss National Bank reported its annual profit of 48.9 billion Swiss francs, $50.71 billion, which was boosted by big gains from foreign currency investments bought to weaken the safe haven franc. The profit was the second largest in the bank's 113-year history and meant the S&B can increase its payout to 4 billion francs to the Swiss federal government and to cantons. The increase from the usual 2 billion franc payout came after the S&B and the Swiss Finance Ministry signed an agreement to increase the maximum profit distribution in case of big profits. However, this move could head off some of the criticism of the S&B for its negative interest rates policy. The central bank charges the world's lowest interest rate of minus 0.75% on commercial bank deposits it holds over a certain threshold, a measure designed to weaken investor appetite for the franc. The United Kingdom and EU start new round of talks. The United Kingdom and the European Union started talks on Monday on how their relationship will shape up after Brexit. The list of main topics to discuss, which includes €500 billion worth of annual trade and close security ties, indicates that the negotiations will be tense. Both sides say they want to reach a deal by the end of the year so that new cooperation of everything from aviation to fisheries to student exchanges can kick in from 2021. Around 100 UK officials will be arriving in the EU hub Brussels for the first round of talks with the bloc's Executive European Commission that are due to last until Thursday. The second round will be held in London later in March, and then more are due to follow every 2-3 weeks. Hyundai's sales fall due to disrupted supply. South Korea's Hyundai Motor said on Monday its sales fell 13% on year to 275,042 vehicles globally in February as the global spread of coronavirus disrupted supply of parts from China. Hyundai is the first major global company to announce February sales amid the epidemic, giving investors a sense of the virus' potential impact on the broader industry. On Friday, Hyundai shut a factory in South Korea after a worker tested positive for the virus, affecting production of popular models such as a Palisade SUV. The plant has since been restarted.